Feathered friends, birds around the world. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are big, some are small, some fly high, and some run fast. Let's meet some amazing birds from all over the world. The tall flamingo. The flamingo is bright pink and stands on one leg. It loves splashing in the water and eats tiny shrimp. The tiny hummingbird. This little bird flaps its wings super fast. It loves sweet nectar from flowers and can hover like a helicopter. The clever crow. Crows are super smart. They can use tools, solve puzzles, and even remember faces. The fast ostrich. Ostriches can't fly, but they run really fast. They have long legs and big eyes to see far away. The colorful parrot. Parrots have bright feathers and can copy sounds. Some can even say hello. The brave bald eagle. The bald eagle has strong wings and a sharp beak. It soars high in the sky and is a symbol of strength. The sneaky owl. Owls have big round eyes and can see in the dark. They are super quiet when they fly. The cute puffin. Puffins look like tiny penguins and can swim really well. They love catching fish with their bright beaks. The singing nightingale. This little bird sings the prettiest songs. It loves chirping at night when all is quiet. The fancy peacock. Peacocks have long, colorful feathers that shine like jewels. When they open their tails, they look like a rainbow. The speedy peregrine falcon. This bird is the fastest in the world. It dives through the air at super speed to catch its food. Wow, we've met so many amazing birds from around the world. Big and small, fast and slow, colorful and clever. Birds make the world a brighter place. Now, when you go outside, see if you can spot any birds near you. What kind of feathered friends will you find? The adventure is just beginning. Thank you for joining us.